One dangerous fire wey dem name Canyon fire don scatter enter thousands of acres for California and e dey force plenty pipo to comot for dia house sharp sharp. Italians don vex well as UK food website Good Food drop one kind recipe for dia traditional Roman dish Cacio Pepe. Dem say the recipe no follow at all. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Pidgin Tori Global and also share with your friends, make them too sabi wetin dey happen for world. One dangerous fire wey dem name Canyon fire don scatter enter thousands of acres for California and e dey force plenty pipo to comot for their house sharp sharp. The fire start Thursday afternoon for area wey dey between Ventura and Los Angeles counties, but by Friday morning, e don jump from small 30 acres reach nearly 5,000 acres, all because of serious heat and dry breeze wey dey blow. Ventura County Fire Department don talk say over 2,700 pipo don already evacuate and another 14,000 pipo dey on warning say dem fit still need to comot if the fire no slow down. As at Friday, the fire still dey waka anyhow, dem never fit control am at all. The National Weather Service dey warn say temperature go still rise reach 100 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 37.7 degrees Celsius, for the next few days, and that one go make the wahala worse. For now, nobody don injure and no house don burn yet, according to Los Angeles County Fire Department. But this one no be the only fire wey dey worry California. Clifford Fire, wey be the biggest one currently, don chop almost 100,000 acres for San Luis Obispo and Santa Barbara counties. California people just dey pray make rain fall or something help quench the heat before e go too late. No be only California dey suffer heat wahala. Turkey don close one of their key international waterway. No be only California dey suffer climate change wahala. Turkey don close one of their key international waterway, Dardanelles Strait, because serious bonfire dey rage for northwest area near Hanakal. The fire bad reach say dem evacuate some residents and e even affect Hanakal Airport wey dem shut down for passenger flights, but rescue and firefighting planes still dey use am. Government don deploy plenty firefighters, helicopters and special planes to try control the fire wey dey scatter the forest area. Wetin dey make the matter worse na strong breeze and dry heat wey dey blow anyhow. Dardanelles Strait dey very important because e connect Aegean Sea to Sea of Marmara and na big route for ship wey dey waka between Europe and Asia. Over 46,000 vessels passed the strait for 2024 alone. The governor of Hanakal talk say dem dey fight the fire from both ground and air level to stop am make e no spread more. For now, Turkey dey do all dem fit do to contain the fire before e go cause more wahala. Germany don announce say dem go suspend all military exports wey fit enter Israel hand, especially weapons wey dem fit use for Gaza. Dis one dey happen after Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and im security cabinet approve plan to take over Gaza City. Germany, wey be one of Israel biggest arms supplier, no happy with the move, and international leaders too don begin criticize the decision. Correspondents talk say the plan to capture Gaza City na likely the first step to completely take over the whole Gaza territory. But inside Gaza, people dey fear say more destruction and displacement dey come. Still, some residents dey stand strong say make dem destroy the house on top of our head, we no go anywhere. For inside Israel, families of hostages dey vex. Dem talk say the government dey carry everybody enter big wahala. Israel say the military pressure go help destroy Hamas, but experts remind them say force alone no dey work for this kind matter. River Island don get green light from High Court to close 33 of their shops for UK as part of plan to stop the business from crashing. The fashion company talk say na shift wey customers don do go online shopping and wahala from high running costs cause the big losses wey dem dey face. Dem warn creditors say if dem no approve the plan, dem go run out of money by end of August. Apart from the 33 shops wey go close, rent go reduce for another 71 shops. The CEO, Ben Lewis, say this go help am balance things to match wetin customers really need. Dem go soon start to negotiate with landlords about the rent matter. As part of the whole wahala, about 110 workers for the 950 wey dey their head office go lose their job. The move go help them save £8.1 million. Right now, River Island get 223 shops across UK and Ireland, but they no go touch any of the Irish shops. Italians don vex well as UK food website Good Food drop one kind recipe for their traditional Roman dish, Cacio Pepe. Dem say the recipe no follow at all. Good Food talk say the pasta fit be sharp lunch with just 4 ingredients: spaghetti, black pepper, parmesan and butter. But Italians shout say na lie, say original Cacio Pepe na just 3 things: pasta, pepper and pecorino cheese. No butter, no parmesan. Restaurant Association for Italy, FIPET confesses and even write letter give the UK ambassador and the media company wey own the website. Dem shock say this kind big platform fit mislead people. Good Food come try defend themselves. Dem say na home cook recipe for UK dem do, with ingredients wey people fit easily get. Dem also beg the Italians make dem send original version make dem post and credit dem. But for Rome, hotel and restaurant owners no gree. One man for St. Peter's Square talk say if you wan change recipe, make you no carry the original name follow. Another chef talk say e dey okay to add small lime to make the dish fresh for summer, but butter and cream, omo, that one don pass limit. Bottom line be say Italians no get wahala if you wan do remix, but no carry their food name join am if e no be original. Na food dey cause this wahala so. Scientists don see new sign wey show say one big gas planet fit dey inside the closest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, just 4.5 light years away. They use the James Webb Space Telescope take see the sign last year, but when dem check again later, the planet no show. Scientists say e fit hide behind the star with time, or e too close to the star wey make am hard to see. Now dem go still try again to confirm whether the planet really dey. The star wey the planet dey orbit get almost the same temperature and brightness with our sun. Na wetin make researchers happy pass be that, because if the planet get moons, e fit get life inside of them. But make we clear am, the planet itself na gas giant like Jupiter or Saturn. E no fit support life, but just like how Jupiter get some icy moons for our solar system wey scientists dey study for mission like Europa Clipper and JUICE, this new planet own moons fit get better chance. NASA scientist Charles Bishman say the observation hard well because the star too bright and e dey move quick. Scientists still dey hope say with time dem go fit know wetin the planet really be and whether e moon fit carry life. And the last one for today, police for Hong Kong don arrest 11 domestic workers wey dem suspect say do illegal abortion and child destruction. The tori start as dem find one of the women for her oga house with dead belle pikin wey don reach at least 28 weeks. Dem say paramedics come help the 39-year-old woman wey collapse for her room. Na there dem find the dead pikin hide inside laundry basket. The woman confess say she buy abortion pills from her friend, another domestic worker. From the confession, police begin raid between July 29 and August 8. Na so dem arrest 10 women join. Out of the 11, 5 don already collect charge, 5 dey on bail, and 1 still dey police hand for more investigation. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.